A very good morning, class 10th. So, here we are on our last topic from chapter Hereditary and Evolution, that is how sex is determined in human beings. We have discussed the Mendel's laws, that is the law of dominance, right? And we discussed the law of independent assortment as well as law of segregation with the help of two crosses, that is the monohybrid and dihybrid cross. So there is our last topic from the chapter, that how sex is determined in human beings. Exactly same line is asked to you in exam time also. So to understand or to write that how determination of sex happens in human beings, um, you need to understand the following points. The first point is about the chromosomes. Every one of you know that humans, they have how many pairs of chromosomes? 23 pairs of chromosomes, right? Am I right? You are following me that humans, they, you know that 46 or you can say 23 pairs of chromosome. Out of these 23 pairs, out of these 23 pairs, how many are autosomes? 22 pairs, they are autosomes, right? So how many left? Only one pair. Only one pair is sex chromosome. So it means this is the pair which actively, so this pair, you can say that this pair actively, it takes part in the process of sex determination. We are going to concentrate on this one pair. I think first point is clear to everyone, that how many chromosomes are present and how many are the autosomes and how many are the sex chromosome. Now move to second point. Both male and females, both male as well as female, they carry two sets, means they carry one, I will write for your easy understanding, they carry one pair of sex chromosome, right? One pair is present which differs them from the male and female. That is why they are different. Male is different and female is different. The third point is male has one X and one Y. It means XY sex chromosome. Male is basically can produce two types of it can give us X as well as the Y. Male has X and Y, one X and one Y, which is the XY chromosome, and this condition is known as heterogametic, means male can produce two type of gametes, X and Y, right? And females, they have only XX chromosome, they can produce same type of gametes, that is only X, same type of gametes. So females are homogametic in nature. They are homogametic, they produce same type of same type of gametes. The next point is where you can find this XY sex determination. This XY, because female, so there is no other option, they have homogametic, only there is male which have different type of gametes. So XY sex determination, this system is actually XY sex determination system, and it is very commonly, it is found in humans, it is observed in humans, then mammals, in even in the insects like Drosophila, which is also known as the fruit fly, and few plant species. Through this sex determination method, the determination of sex can be done. All the children now, how you can form, you will be able to know that it will be a boy or it will be a girl. Now, during fertilization, during fertilization, because there is a fusion of male and female gamete, so during fertilization there are equal chances that ovum is fertilized by sperm which is having X chromosome, right? Which is having X chromosome. Now ovum to already have X chromosome only, and now sperm is also having X chromosome, or it can equal chances that it can fuse with the Y क्रोमोसोम. इक्वल चांसेस हैं कि X के साथ फ्यूज करे या फिर Y के साथ फ्यूज करे. सो व्हेन you can say when a sperm carrying X chromosome, when a sperm is carrying X chromosome, now fertilize with egg, what do you think? The child will be, now the first thing which develop will be zygote. So zygote will develop into female, and the chromosome will be XX, right? Now the another condition is when a sperm carrying a chromosome, which chromosome? Y chromosome, right? If it is carrying Y chromosome, fertilize with egg. Now zygote which develops, what do you think? What will be the condition of the sex of the child? Zygote develops into male baby, right? That will be XY. So what is the conclusion after this? What is the conclusion? So because as human male, they produces two types of sperms, right? Two types of sperms. So there are 50% chances always of having male baby and 50% chances of having female baby. There is nothing called that everything is dependent on female, that what will be the sex of the child. As you can see, it's scientifically very clearly that it is dependent on the fusion, that if the sperm, it is carrying the X chromosome and it fertilized with egg, the baby will be female. If the sperm carrying the Y chromosome, the zygote develop will be XY. Now because it is a 3 marks question, so what you have to draw here, that is the, we will draw female and the male, right? Female, they are having XX because the eggs, it will have XX chromosome, and in the male, the sperm, they are having XY chromosome. Now the gametes which can be produced from this, it can produce two types of gametes, same homogametic, it can produce two different types of gametes. Now when you will fuse them, right, I'm using the red color only, that is the X, this X will fuse with this X, right? The baby will be a girl. Now this same X it will fuse with this Y. The baby will be a boy. Now this come to the second X. That will be your this X fuse with same X. This will be a girl. And if this X fuses with the Y, the baby will be a boy. Or you can make the square board also. This will be a, we will write here, if you suppose we are writing it here, male gametes, and here we are writing male gametes, and here we are writing female gametes. That is the XX. So you can make checkerboard also. X, 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 Y, X, 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 Y. So as you can see now, there are the 50%, there are the females. Out of 4, 2 are female baby and 2 are male babies. So there are 50% chances which we have written in conclusion that human male produces because 2 types of sperm. That is why there are 50% chances and of male baby and 50% chances of female baby. And this system which we have discussed right now, this system is called as the, in few books it is written as the XY system only, and it is also known as the XXXY system, which you can found in the mammals, insects, as well as in the humans. The sex is determined through this method. This flow chart definitely you have to draw, and you have to write down all these points when you are attempting this question is in your 3 marks, right? This is the important one. This is usually asked in the 3 marks question. Before I just finish off this lecture, I just want to discuss one question with you that is from our older lecture about the Mendelian, right? If you understood my last lecture, then let's talk about this. A Mendelian experiment, Mendelian did experiment consist of, this is a question, consist of tall pea plants, right, bearing violet flowers with short pea plants, with short pea plants, with short pea plants bearing white flowers. Means tall, they were with the violet flowers, and short pea plants with the white flowers. The progeny all were having violet flowers. All they were having violet flowers, but almost half of them were short. Half of them were short. This suggests the genetic makeup of tall parent can be depicted as, means you have to find out the genotype, that what will be the genotype of the parent. Because of that, there is the violet flowers, and few plants they are short. So that out of these I'm giving you the option, and please mention me your answer in the comment section, that after reading this question very carefully, that according to you what should be the genotype of the parents, that we are getting violet flowers as well as few short plants also, right? Because if you, I'm giving you a hint that you know that F1 generation usually shows the dominant one, right? But what should be the what should be the genotype, that even in the F2 generation we are getting the short plants, right? So go through this lecture very carefully and please answer me this question in the comment section very, very carefully.